Hi guys, I'm Nuri Bagat. I'll teach you how to use Microsoft Word in working with less. First, open a blank document and insert text. Next is highlight the text and click the bullet like this. And click an arrow if you choose another bullet. Next is inserting number in text. Same in the bullet. Highlight the text and click the number. If you choose another number, click an arrow and click another number or letters. Same in the other. Highlight the text, click the multi-level less, and click another less current. This is the result. You enter if you text and you write another text. In multi-level less, click the define multi-level less and you choose the number from 1 to 9 to click the level and modify and then OK. Next, enter and click another, write another text. Hope you understand my presentation.